Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Hulu. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening Apple web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in www.hulu.com and press enter on a keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official web page of Hulu.com, which looks like this. Hulu is an on-demand video streaming platform that has been around for more than a decade. It is known as one of the best and largest streaming platforms in the United States, with more than 40 million subscribers. If you want to sign up and get started with Hulu, click on the sign up link displayed on the screen. Go ahead and choose your plan from the options displayed on the next page. Choose the best plan for yourself and click the select button. You'll need to enter your information on the next page. Start off by typing in your email address. Make sure to enter the email that you have an access to. Once you do that, head over to the next field where it says password and create a password for yourself. Once you create a password for yourself, go to the next field and type in your name in the text box. Once you type in your full name, go ahead and select your birth date information from the drop down. Select your month, day, and year. Now, on the next field, select your gender from the drop down. Finally, after you are done filling in the information, click the Continue button, and once you click Continue, you'll agree to the Hulu's terms of use and privacy policy. On the next page, simply follow the on-screen prompts, enter your payment information, and that way you'll be able to create a new account or sign up for Hulu.com. Now, once you sign up for your Hulu account, you can access it right from your mobile devices or your computer quickly and easily. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.